Has your doctor told you to cut out sugar because of high blood sugar levels? Now you're searching for a sugar replacement, right? Hi, Jonathan here with BochaSweet, and today I want to talk to you about why BochaSweet is the perfect diabetic friendly sugar replacement. BochaSweet is a 0-calorie and 0-glycemic sweetener that has been perfected to cook, bake, dissolve, and measure on a 1-to-1 ratio as cane sugar. You can sweeten all your favorite foods and beverages with BochaSweet. If you're searching for something truly like sugar, we're talking no bitter aftertaste, no chemical taste, nothing weird or funky, just a pure, clean cane sugar taste. This is it. BochaSweet is truly just like cane sugar, but without the unwanted weight gain or dreaded blood sugar spike, which is important for anyone that is a diabetic. BochaSweet is 100% natural pentose, a 5-carbon sugar that is utilized by the body as a pure source of energy. This means no insulin stimulation. No other sugar replacement on the market provides a pure source of energy. BochaSweet is the only one. BochaSweet comes from a cultivated crop, the kabocha pumpkin, a true superfood. The kabocha pumpkin has been consumed as a staple in the Japanese diet for centuries. It's no wonder something that tastes so good can be extracted into a 0-calorie and 0-glycemic sugar replacement. Other sugar replacements tout themselves off as the ideal sweetener, but they use cheap ingredients or waste materials that provide no health benefit to the body. Some sweeteners taste so bitter it's like sucking on a penny. Definitely not what you would want to experience in a sugar replacement. But you can rest assured that BochaSweet is the best all-natural sweetener on the market, hands down. Taste-wise, health-wise, and for your blood sugar. We got you covered. So, head on over to BochaSweet.com or Amazon to order your pouch of BochaSweet today.